G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Thought I'd give you a bit of an update on where I'm travelling with this Manila disc Nipkow 32 line televisor, mechanical televisor. Yeah, which is pretty much a conversion from record disc to Manila disc, as you know. Well, anyway, after the problems I've been having, such as it working properly in terms of displaying video and then it not working properly and all that, and the sync just not syncing properly. Oh yeah, I've posted my issues in the NBTV forums and emailed my friend Richard Deal of Lab Guys World. Well, anyway, one guy in the NBTV forums named Steve Anderson, he stated a lot of things about using capacitor bypass across the motor and in the power supplies and yeah, using shielded cable and yeah, pretty much shielding circuitry from noise in general, particularly power supplies and yeah, denoising the motors, etc., etc. Yeah, he pretty much states that's what's really mucking up my system that I built. And yeah, I just pretty much copied the club circuits, and I haven't done all that shielding and all that sort of thing. But yeah, I'll definitely incorporate shielding and capacitor bypassing, and that will solve a lot of the noise issues. Anyway, onto Richard's email. Yeah, he pretty much has built the club circuits, but he's found some problems with them, and he's done a redesign to do an improved circuit for the NBTV televisor, which he has posted on his Lab Guys World website. And this is the circuit. These are the schematics. He has designed it for a color NBTV televisor, but also has the option for a monochrome televisor as well with this little circuit here. Anyway, he's pointed out some issues he's found with the club circuits, and has done some improvements. And he's also told me some important things like scoping the output, the sound output from a PC, and yeah, setting the voltage level to a standard level. In which for video he uses 1 volt peak to peak. I think he said 1 volt peak to peak, I'm sure of it. Yeah, he uses 1 volt video, sync negative, and terminates it into a 75 ohm load. For audio, audio can't drive a 75 ohm load, so he suggests 1 kilo ohm load. So I'll use that for the NBTV signal out from the PC before the amplifier. Anyway, so that's his suggestions. So I'll do just that. Also he's settled a confusion that I was having that there is some relationship between the motor control servos and the illuminator, and there is none. I shouldn't have known that, but yeah, I was just taking pot-shot guesses because yeah, I don't fully know the circuit operation of a mechanical televisor or a lot of other circuits really, because I'm merely a hobbyist. I'm good at copying circuits. I have a basic understanding of how the circuits work, but up to a point, but to understand down to a component level, that's beyond me at the moment. Anyhow, yeah, I'm merely a hobbyist who copies circuits and can do a decent job at it. That's why I can make complex circuits. anyhow, enough about that. He also suggested I change the photodiode for a phototransistor and change the infrared LED for a super bright LED. So I'll do that, and I'm actually gonna rebuild the set and use Richard Dill's circuit design, because I fully trust that his circuit design will operate better than the club circuit design. Basically, from what I read of the club circuit design, they pretty much looked at a bunch of circuit designs. They pretty much stated this on their website. They looked at a bunch of circuit designs and picked the very best ones that work the best, and used them for their handbook. And yeah, but anyway, I'm going to use Richard Dill's design, because I reckon I will get better results. Alrighty, that's enough. Yeah, lastly, as for the warp disc, I'm sort of still thinking on what might have caused it to warp. I don't know if it's putting the soldering iron within about that far from the disc, or whether it's the hot Aussie heat that we've been experiencing on and off, or if putting the tape on the sinkholes has something to do with it, because I've found that the disc warped more when I put the tape between the sinkholes. So I don't know if there's a relationship between the tape and the disc warping or not, but I'd say definitely the heat might have something to do with it. But the disc, once it's spinning at a certain speed, it pretty much straightens up and doesn't brush against the opto fork. Anyway, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for when I start rebuilding this set. And yeah, I'm going to really seriously do a decent job of it, not a a basic slap together set like you see. I'm gonna really, yeah, just I'm really gonna build a decent cabinet for it, build a better layout, etc., and make it a very decent NBTV mechanical set. Alright, this is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.